Alright, I wanted to do a quick video today of a mock shipment of how we normally ship out our geckos. Now this is a standard shipping box. I have taped all the edges. This is what I do every time. And I do not poke air holes in it. I always leave it completely intact because I feel that letting in any hot or cold air is going to make a difference as far as the temperature within the box as it's traveling. So this is a 9x6x12 shipping box. Good enough size to put in a standard 6-inch deli cup like this. What I'm going to do is actually I already tore open a heat pack. This is one of the Uni Heat. I believe these are the 40-hour heat pack. Yeah, 40-hour. And I'm just going to set that off to the side for now. Something that I always do when I package up my geckos is I always mist the paper towel. Some people do not. I find that having that extra little bit of humidity is beneficial, and I've never had an issue. The other thing I'm going to do in this mock setup is I'm going to put a temperature recorder inside the deli container as the gecko in this case, just as a test. I get these from work. Sometimes when they're not started, then I can use them and kind of check my own temperatures here in the gecko room or do tests like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inside the deli container, put the lid on, and then I'm going to package it up just like I normally would. I always stuff the box full with paper. I just kind of crumple it up and give it a little bit of a cushion. Put that in there. And I always put a few sheets in between the deli container and the heat pack. I'm just going to drop this in along the side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more paper. I'm going to cover up the top. I always stuff it full so then there's no chance of the deli cup rattling around. Okay, so now I have that in place. Put the lid in there, and I'm just going to fold it up and tape it all shut, just like I normally would. Typically I'd have the label on here also, but in this case it's just going to be for a mock run. Just like I did the other side, I'm going to make sure that all the edges are completely sealed up and that there's no oxygen actually getting in. For the short time that the gecko's in this box, which could be 15, 16 hours, they actually have plenty of oxygen. So that's all sealed up. Like I said, typically I'd have a label or something else on here, but that's exactly how I would do it otherwise, and that's how I would send it out. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this box in the fridge, and then I'll see what that temperature recorder actually records overnight. I'll open up the box tomorrow around 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, which is typical time when it arrives at its destination. So that's how I simply package geckos up, and we'll see what exactly the temperature recorder tells me is happening inside the box with the heat pack and with the humid deli cup. Alright, thanks for watching.